A lot of the times when you're working with 3D modeling, you might want to use reference images. And to do that, you have to import out reference images, and the process is quite easy. Let's say I want to have a front image as a reference. So I need to first go into view right here. I need to go around into viewpoint and then select front just like this. So once I do that, I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go around into image right here. And then I'm going to click on references like this. So once I do that, I can navigate around onto the folder where I want to import the image from, and then scroll down just like this and select the image that you want to import as a reference. So I'm just going to click on load reference image, and then you can see that this is my image right here. If I were to work around, you can see that this is like a plain object. You can resize this right here, and you can use the tools to move it around or even rotate around as per the need. So the beauty of this is it is not showed up while you're actually rendering out the image right here. So you do not see it in the render. It is just here for reference. And just like any other object, you can disable and enable it out. So from the top view as well and so forth. So wherever you want the image, you can go around onto the particular viewport just like this. Press Shift A and then go around into image reference and then select the image just like this. And there you go. You got the image from a different viewport, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can use image reference inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.